Ladies and gentlemen, this next one, it is beyond a shadow of a doubt very real. It's very dangerous. Do not try this stunt at home. Brothers and sisters, please welcome back Lucian Fuller.
Don't be scared. It's just me. I'm back! And I brought my balls! And my chainsaw! Ladies and men of rock, I give you Chainsaw Juggling! If you want to see someone get hurt, make some noise. Well, if anyone's gonna get hurt, it's gonna be me. And maybe a few of you in the front row. Now this chain will be spinning when I juggle it to show you that it's sharp. I'm gonna cut this guy's arm off. Give me your arm. Give me your arm. Give me your arm. Wow, I can't believe I actually would do that. She's like, yeah, take it. To show you that this thing is sharp, I got a better idea. Check this out.
Kids screaming in the cradles, no vanities. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. The world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
That's all you got? I beat up, but this is a live show and I beat up of your energy. You guys give me just a little bit more, and I'll give you my best. What do you say? You, man. You searched. Sometimes it happens. Juggler, don't let me down. Here we go. Come on, boy. Here we go.
having a good time so far?